what we can catch today. We're gonna be on our boat. Yeah. Let's learn Samoan sea creatures. Row your boat gently down the stream. Oh, look, Pepe! There's a crab! It's a butterfly and it's crawling on our boat! Uh-oh! Watch out for the butterfly! There it is! What's it doing? Oh no! It fell into the ocean! Shall we go have a look and see what else is under the ocean? Let's dive down and see what else is there. It's a baby octopus. Ole Pepe, ole fe'e Pepe, ole Pepe, ole fe'e. Oi, vai lili fole tafola. Malie. Baby shaka, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Baby shaka. Oh, where's he hiding? Okay, let's go have a look. Baby shark. So many fishes. Olei alanu moli. Olei alanu luli. Teloi afilanu lanu wai. Okay, we'll keep swimming, keep swimming. What else is down here? Oh there. Whoa! Pepe ole laumei. Look at the laumei. Ai le laumei lagi. It's a really pretty turtle. Whoa! Ole ula. Ole ula lanu mumu. It's a lobster. Ole lobster. Lanu mumu. Pepe, bye. Hidden underneath. It's an eel. Ole pussy. Wow. What else can we see? Let's have a look. Do I see? It's a starfish! Ole starfish! Ole afetu! Look at that! The sun's going down already! Yes! We better get going! Oh, goodbye everybody! Goodbye! Let's go fishing again next time and see what we can find!